This is a demo of my app which I've built for the COS 570 project, and it's a Japanese learning app. So when you first visit this app, oh by the way, this is a mobile app in a browser. So when you first visit the app, you need to log in. That's for data storage purposes. I'd make it a proper login further down the track. So it's a sequence of lessons. This covers the te form, which is a Japanese grammar point, which is really important. It's really widely used and really crucial that Japanese learners pick it up really well. The first part is verb type. You need to know what type of verb you're looking at in order to conjugate. So the first lesson explains the different verb types. It's just a YouTube video. So users can watch this video and get an explanation of the different verb types. And then they do a little test to see how well they've remembered them. So all they do is they are presented with a verb, and then they click whether it's ichidan or godan. So I'll play this. It's in 30-second games, or 30-second long quizzes. So the user does that for 30 seconds, and at the end of 30 seconds they're given some feedback, and they also rate their own confidence. Once they click continue, that data is saved. At the moment, there's no evidence of the user's record. The data is The data is stored in a format. It's just in a text format at the moment, but I'd like to do something with that in the future to get that displayed so the teacher could easily see their students' project progress, and users could also follow their own feedback. The next part is once they know what verb type a verb is, they then need to know how to make the te form, how to conjugate it. It can be tricky for some learners, so I've broken it down into 4 steps. Once again, the user watches a video about how to go through the conjugation, and this time they do a little test where they are presented with a verb and they need to conjugate it based on the rule they've learnt. Once again, it's a 30-second test. I'll just go through it. There are some repeats, but it'll never repeat. The user will never see 2 in a row exactly the same. There's actually only 3 that the user's getting checked on. That's why there were so many repeats in that. Once again, they get feedback on their performance, and then they do a rating of how they think they've gone, and then continue. Okay, that's my app. Thanks a lot.